This weekend, we traveled to Wausau in north central Wisconsin for a fun-filled ski weekend. Today is the annual Pond Skimming event at Granite Peak Ski Resort. So let's head down and check it out.
The Granite Peak Pond Skim. This is our spring fling weekend. A little bit more like sprinter here as the temperatures are in the, I would say, upper 20s. Luckily our pond has not frozen over, but we're gonna have a good crowd here. We got about 60 competitors, I think, in the Pond Skim for today. Pond is about 95 feet all the way across. Guys are gonna start up, guys and girls are gonna start up at the top of Aspen up here, have a long in run. We have our Yeti over there. Kellen is jumping into the water for safety reasons. He's going to be pulling people out, and yeah, about 45 seconds is what we're going to give everybody from the start to the finish. They got to get in and got to get out. Should be a good time.
We're starting at high noon. We have a lot of competitors. So we're going to watch them clear this course. They're making it to the end, or they're swimming out. Either way, it's going to be a good time. Coming down, we got about a minute 30 seconds before all these wonderful Granite Peak enthusiasts are going to come down in the most well-built costumes that you ever got. You ready to see this? Are you ready to hear what else here? Man, it is a great time. You guys make sure that all these competitors, they're risking all the biscuit coming through our pond. So make sure you amp them up. These riders are coming down. Cheer them on. Make them feel like there's no way that they can't make it. All right, let's go on over here. getting the speed he needs. He can leap a building in a single bound. He is Superman. Let's see if he can leap the landing of this Pond Skim. Finding an edge there, right at the end. Here is a shooter down! Make it! Really make it! Oh! Come on, we got
The trash can. He's got floaties on. Making it look easy.
Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. A lot of interesting costumes and great efforts from the skiers. We're going to head down there to the lodge to warm up. So until next time, thanks for viewing. Good day.